Alright, best way to remove plastidip. Mine sure wouldn't peel off. Let's get some WD-40. You're going to want to coat it. Coat it, coat it, coat it. And you want to let it sit for about 20 minutes or so. And you wipe it off with a towel, but you're going to have to throw away whatever you wipe with a towel. That towel, it makes the towels pretty bad. After you get a good coat on it, wait about 15-20 minutes, and then I recommend pressure washing it off. Again, best way to remove plastidip. Some WD-40. Alright, after a good pressure washing, got all the plastidip up. I didn't spray the top rails, I wanted to keep them. So, all I used was a pressure washer, and it just come right on up. That's the easiest way to get plastidip off your vehicle.